Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to Tarot Jays 369. If you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. If you have any queries regarding to this reading, you can always comment down. Meanwhile, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. As this is a general timeless reading, I've already laid the cards, so let's quickly pick out three cards and see what's the energy and what are the messages for the collective today. As this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest for others to resonate. Okay, we have got the cards here. One more card. Okay, so much of water today, Pisces energy. I think the collective is dreaming so much. And it looks like you're in your dream world, very much clouded in your mind. And dreaming is good, guys, but not to that extent where you become confused and delusional. So you might be having so many choices around you currently, and you're not able to choose one, decide on what you should choose. It is also not certain that the choices are practically there or on the ground, because it could be you being overwhelmed by thinking about those possibilities, and getting lost in those dream worlds, and fantasizing so much. So uh, if this is the thing, then you should also need to be grounded and stay practical with that fanatical card. Also, I'm saying is you know choose wisely if the choices come, using both your practicality and emotions as well, in a balanced way. In terms of relationships, if you are being driven into one, so do not get involved immediately, in haste, because the one who is offering you that cup, with that knight of cups, must be having that charm around him. He's looking charming to you, but it does not have that emotional or practical maturity, and is only a person of words and not of the action. So don't take impulsive decisions here. Take your time, and contemplate about it to decide what's the right choice for you, because you might be having so many offers at one time. So you are being overwhelmed, and when you have these extreme kinds of emotions, you should avoid taking any decision, to choose one. So take your time. Also in your career and workplace, related to your finance, if you are getting any new offers, so check before getting glued into them. Do not go after what looks good to your eyes, after the appearances, uh, but go to the root of it. It will be good if you the do the background check, and be cautious about it. It should actually have to be profitable to you in real time, not like you are being taken advantage of for others profit. So yes, be aware of all these things if any such options, choices come around. Also, you are being advised here to be balanced in whatever you are spending, or could be you are receiving. So equal give and take is the need of the hour. Maintain those boundaries and keep your mind free of any illusion. Don't let fantasies cloud your judgment in terms of giving and receiving any financial aid. So do not give too much of whether your time, your money, or your resources. First know the motives behind it, before offering your helping hand to anyone, because it will drain you ultimately. Also, do not receive the favors too much at the time. If you are being offered, because it would it could be like you can't pay back when time comes. So save your energy and be balanced, be realistic and not idealistic, you know. So, all on, in terms of your relationships or your finances or your career or in general, just ground your expectations. Dreaming is good, but reality is the truth ultimately. Similarly, you know, words sound good, but actions are necessary. So keep those dreams coming and you know, keep dreaming, but you know, be pragmatic at the same time. Also, if you are being generous to others, keep check of that whether you are receiving it equally back, or your generosity is being taken for granted. So that's one thing you should keep in mind. Do not accept, you know, vague promises, and do not settle for any less and dwell in those false hopes. You know, don't take breadcrumbs. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and namaste.